Let's learn English.
How often do you use these mass media?
Unit 4, the mass media. Skill, writing. Describing a pie chart showing the use of online resources. Objectives.
One. Discuss the difference between a graph and a chart, and how to describe a pie chart.
Charts and graphs represent a series of data, but they are different from each other. Graphs are mainly used to represent variation in values over a period of time. Charts are used to give information about the frequency of different quantities in a single pictorial representation. To describe a pie chart, we should specify the information, content, and proportion of each segment, which can be measured in percentages, percent, or fractions, for example 1/3, a quarter.
The pie chart below illustrates the forms of communication used by students in Intel Secondary School. Complete the description with the words in the box.
The pie chart shows the preferred forms of communication recorded in a survey carried out in Intel Secondary School in August 2014. Following is a brief description of the students' preferences. Social networking is recorded as the most preferred form of communication with a majority of 27%. Mobile phone ranks the second at 23%. Emailing is closely tied in with instant messaging at 17% each. The least is face-to-face socializing, which is given 1% less than emailing and instant messaging. To conclude, the dominant mode of communication for the students at Intel Secondary School is social networking. Of all the other forms, mobile phone talking, emailing, face-to-face socializing and instant messaging, students use face-to-face socializing the least.
Study the pie chart and write a paragraph of 130 to 160 words to describe it.
The pie chart shows students' preferred online resources recorded in a survey carried out at Intel Secondary School Library in 2014. Following is a brief description of the students' preferences. We can see that a majority of students played interactive games, which rank the first at 30%. Fiction ebooks lie in the second at 20%, and are at 10% less than interactive games. Online magazines rank the third at 18%, while non-fiction ebooks account for 15%. Online dictionaries are the fifth library resource at 11%. Only a minority of students, or 6%, used science journals, which is the least popular of all resources, and used five-fold less than the most preferred resource, interactive games. To conclude, the dominant form of online resources used by the students at Intel Secondary School Library is interactive games. Of all the other resources, fiction ebooks, online magazines, non-fiction ebooks, online dictionaries and science journals. Students used science journals the least.
Consolidation. Homework.
Thank you for watching.